NISAR is a satellite mission that is going to be observing the Earth with radar. It will have 2 radars that view the Earth at different wavelengths. We can combine those data that allow us to learn more about things like vegetation and soil moisture than we can do with only one of those wavelengths.
So NISAR is definitely going to be a breakthrough for field scale soil moisture, which is one of your main drivers of both food security and then as well more on the economic commodity forecasts.
NISAR is going to look at objects that's the size of about 60 meters in size, which is typical soccer field, to about 200 meters. We'll be able to see whether a particular patch of that size is wet or dry.
The current land surface models can't really quantify irrigation, so NISAR is going to now help understand how much water is actually being used to grow a crop, which will help us save water, so that's kind of a big deal.
See the middle there? The middle is set though. I think we just need to bend the edges.
We're going to deploy a couple dozen of these reflectors. Each one of these reflectors has to be the same brightness, and that tells us how we have to calibrate the image and so that we can use it for science. And no matter where we put them in Oklahoma, we want them to have the same brightness in the radar image. The science team is working with a lot of agricultural scientists, with the USDA and other agencies, and trying to make sure that the products from NISAR are useful, make sure they understand the soil moisture conditions and where crops are being grown.
Understanding the moisture in the soil can definitely help those farmers better understand what's happening underneath the ground. Do they need to water? Is there too much water there? They just need to kind of let things grow. You know, are they in a drought condition? If they do need to irrigate, how much? All those different things just to better help those farmers make the best possible decisions for their crops.
We have a lot of rainfall and vegetation with flooding, extreme temperatures. You get all this production of vegetation and then you get drought and it dries it out. All of these extremes, we need to know more about the climate and what is happening with soil moisture. And I'm hoping that the NISAR data can help agriculture and learn more about what's going on in the ground beneath them to help with production.
I truly believe that agriculture is one of the kind of central components to many what we call sustainable development goals. Poverty, nutrition, livelihoods, environment, whether it's water, soil, air, to lift people out of poverty. So it's something I personally believe in philosophically and hope to spread the wealth.
Thank you.